The Acer Aspire 5A515-56 laptop Intel Core i3-1115G4, 11th Gen Intel UHD 4GB1TB HDD Windows 10 Home Basic that comes with striking features and specifications. This ideal computing device is powered with a Intel Core i3-1115G4, 11th Gen with 4.0 GHz clock speed that lets you multitask, without any lags or interruptions. You can work for extended working hours with the utmost convenience on this laptop as it comes with a sturdy, full-length, and ergonomically designed fine-tip keyboard with independent numeric keypad. Also, there are zero chances of battery overheating or battery swelling. Intel Core A3-1115G4, 2.1 GHz, 11th Gen 6 MBL3. 4GB DDR4 3200 SDRAM, 1x4 GB, supports up to 16 GB. 1TB 5400 RPM HDD Drive. 15.6 inches Full HD IPS Display 1920x1080. Intel UHD 1960 MB. Dolby Digital Sounds Combo Audio Jack, Type-C, USB 3.0, HDMI, microSD reader Bluetooth 5.0, Fast Ethernet, webcam, dual-band wireless. The dimensions of this laptop are 363.4 x 238, 5 by 17.9 mm, and it weighs around 1.65 kg. Hence, you can carry this lightweight and compact laptop in your backtop.